I mean, did you clock me? I don't feel like...
Well,
I'm
no,
not saying you're wrong, but
so here's what I'm telling you. I'm pacing you. Because I can...
so you're guesstimating?
Pace you for an eighth of a mile. Okay.
Like I said, sir, I was just leaving a Christmas party. I didn't think I was going to be there.
All right, just hang on for a second.
Okay.
How much you had to drink today?
0.0, sir. I do not drink.
Okay. Get your priorities in order.
All right, so I'm going to hand that back to you. So I'm going to cut you a break. Now, as far as the speeding, I'm going to hand that to you. As far as the speeding, now I didn't have a radar gun. However, your speed and plus me pacing, too fast for conditions, okay? But I'm going to cut you a break on the tail lamps.
An abusive and completely manufactured traffic stop unfolded in a residential neighborhood when a Kansas City police officer targeted a driver pulling directly into his own driveway. The officer immediately initiated a fishing expedition, falsely claiming that the law-abiding driver was speeding too fast for conditions, despite having absolutely no radar verification to back up the claim. Fabricating a traffic violation purely to target a citizen is a direct violation of basic constitutional protection.
Hey, stay in the vehicle. You're on a traffic stop. Matter of fact,
unit with the 45 here with no location.
Come back this way.
I don't know how you caught me on radar. I mean, I was already in my driveway when I seen him coming down the street. Like, it's odd. I mean, did you clock me? I don't feel like...
Well,
I'm not saying you're wrong, but
so here's what I'm telling you. I'm pacing you. Because I can...
so you're guesstimating?
Pace you for an eighth of a mile. Okay.
Like I said, sir, I was just leaving a Christmas party. I didn't think I was going to be there.
All right, just hang on for a second.
Okay.
How much you had to drink today?
0.0, sir. I do not drink.
Okay. Get your priorities in order.
Okay, Sean, this is what's going on, man. I'll try to get you out of here. I'm waiting for a guy who's pretty close by. I'm going to use my tint meter, okay? Because I have reason to believe that your tint is too dark for state standards, okay?
Wow. We're really going the full mile, aren't we?
Well, I'll just ask a simple question. You have a job?
Yes, sir.
Do the best job you can? You'll have your vehicle registered in 45 days. We can tow your vehicle.
No, sir.
But then there are other people that are like, hey, man, you know, you can't do whatever.
I know him. He's a good kid. He helped me coach basketball before.
Oh, yeah? Yeah.
I didn't say you can go on my truck.
Huh?
I didn't tell you.
What?
Those windows are tinted. It's just you gotta roll it down.
No, roll it.
Right there, right there. 2%.
2?
Yep. Sean, you're at 2. 2%.
Like good?
No, it's gotta be 35 or higher.
Check this
And the city of KCK.
I'm going to check this side, too.
Here you go, man.
45 days. Hey, man, I was wondering.
What?
It's just you gotta roll it down.
No, roller.
Right there.
2?
Okay. Let me check this one, too. I'm going to check this side, too.
I mean, what kind of person would you think we are if we're out here cutting corners and just not doing our job? Unreliable individual. And it's like, damn, he's not doing his job. He's just one of them guys. Everybody likes the nice policeman because what does a nice policeman do? Nice policeman don't do his job.
Yes, sir.
And that's how they categorize nice policeman. And it's like, man, it's not nice. It's not being mean. It's just the job.
I'm a tax-paying citizen. I've never been arrested. I have no warrants.
Right.
This is not justice. take it now. The number caffeine is sugar.
Shot at 2%.
That good?
No, it's got to be 35 or higher.
Let me check this one
And
too.
the city of Casey thing.
I'm gonna check this side too.
It's Christmas.
Huh?
It's Christmas.
You know. Jesus, I just gave you a shut up and now you keep talking.
When pressed by the driver for an exact speed measurement, the hostile officer completely deflected and began generating a sequence of lies to justify his presence. He shifted his focus to the vehicle's windows, utilizing a tint meter as a thinly veiled excuse to peer deeply inside the cabin for incriminating evidence. Under statutory guidelines, an officer executing a routine traffic stop may not extend the duration of the stop beyond the time reasonably required to address the initial traffic infraction. Rather than concluding the stop once the driver's paperwork cleared, the officer deliberately prolonged the encounter to hunt for a reason to make an arrest.
Okay, sir. All right, so you can see my lights are off, man. You're gonna be free to go. I'm gonna get up out your way in just a second. All right, so I'm gonna hand that back to you. So I'm gonna cut you a break. Now, as far as the speeding, I'm gonna hand that to you. As far as the speeding, now I didn't have a radar gun. However, your speed and plus me pacing, too fast for conditions, okay? But I'm gonna cut you a break on the tail lamps, and you got 2%. I'm gonna give you that as a gift. All right, I'm gonna warn you on it. All right. But you do have to pay or appear in court on this date that I said.
For what?
All right. What's that?
For what?
For the speed.
How fast was I going?
And I just explained it to you.
You don't
I
know
don't.
how fast
I don't.
you're going.
Listen. So I don't have a radar gun. However, I'm pacing you.
But you want to pace. I was already in my driveway before you even up over that hill over there.
Sir, I'm just going to interject real quick. This is not the place for a examination.
You know, is this really where you want to be at when Jesus comes back, picking on little Sean McAllister
or not.
on Jesus' birthday?
Have a good day, sir.
There you go.
You're a great officer. He's a hell of a kid.
You know what? I don't want to hear all that.
I don't want to hear this. This is nonsense. All the
Okay, Sean.
bullshit that goes on at Wyandotte.
All right, now hey, can I ask you this? Hold on. Can I ask you this? Hey, buddy. Like I said, you're free to go.
I'm a taxpayer. I don't have no warrants. I ain't never been arrested.
Right, that's
I'm not a
correct.
threat.
So I'm gonna ask you this: we got problems with drugs in this area. Do you care? Would you give me permission to search a vehicle?
Is that what you need to do?
No, I'm just asking. Would you give me permission to do it?
Are you asking a hypothetical question?
Yeah, it's just either yes or no. Would you give me
In theory,
consent?
if you were to ask me, I would tell you yes. You could.
So I'm asking you: would you give me consent to check your vehicle and you can stop me at any time?
If I let you check my vehicle, you can get rid of the speeding ticket.
Yeah.
Then no.
Okay. Very good. All right, sir. Be careful.
If you want to get rid of the speeding ticket, you can check it all day.
That's okay, sir. If you already told me no, you're fine.
22's tonight.
No, not solely tint. I got him for too fast for conditions.
The officer's dishonesty escalated dramatically when he later debriefed his supervising sergeant regarding the details of the vehicle stop. He falsely claimed that the driver aggressively jumped out of the car like a motherfucker and was hauling ass down the street, directly contradicting the calm reality captured on body camera footage. These fraudulent reports constitute a serious violation of public trust, as no state official shall willfully or knowingly make a false statement, report, or entry into an official record during the course of their duties. The officer completely warped the timeline of events to protect himself from administrative discipline or legal exposure.
Basic speed. I got him at. He was going eastbound 90th and right in front of the lake, and he was hauling ass like noticeably too fast for conditions, and he looked like he was going to run the red light if I hadn't been there. So he continues on east, and I continue on east on Leavenworth, and I'm pacing him at like 57, and he's leaving me behind. And then so finally, he turns on 75th Terrace, and as soon as he stops and he turns into a residence, and he jumps out the car like a motherfucker. And so I went ahead and just measured his tint, just to kind of go along with it, to see if I could, because I thought there might be some J8 activity, but
25, where you calling?
I gave him I cut him a break on that, even though he was 2%.
1258. Okay.
Yeah. So oh yeah. You notice I'm 100% with you on that. Is that his fucking speed was unreal. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Before allowing the driver to leave, the officer desperately attempted to gain consent to search the vehicle by bringing up a vague claim of neighborhood drug problems. He even went so far as to offer to dismiss the illegitimate speeding ticket if the driver would simply waive his rights and permit a full vehicle search. Under established legal standards, a search conducted pursuant to valid consent is an exception to the warrant requirement, but that consent must be given freely and voluntarily, absent any coercion or official duress. The driver firmly refused the corrupt bargain, and the bogus ticket was subsequently thrown out of court once the officer's extensive fabrications were fully brought to light. Like and subscribe for more.